Welcome to your new home in the Southwood Hills subdivision. No hoa. This charming property features a newer roof, HVAC unit, energy-efficient windows, gutters with gutter guard and a water filtration system with reverse osmosis water at the kitchen sink that were installed in 2020. In 2021, a new front door, tankless water heater and electrical panel were added. In the kitchen you will find quartz countertops, custom cabinets, and stainless steel appliances installed in 2022, and both bathrooms were remodeled the same year. The sliding back door was changed out with a new energy-efficient door with blinds nestled within the glass. New vinyl plank flooring and baseboards were installed at the end of 2023 and the house is freshly painted. Also in 2023 a brand new vinyl fence was installed.